guys, and welcome back. So I've got two great add-ons for you guys, one repo, or should I say guys, three great add-ons and one repo. So it's called Legion and Unhinged and the Atomic add-on. So guys, these are two great additions to your Kodi to actually give you a better streaming experience. So guys, let's get to it. So this is Legion and Unhinged. So we're gonna go into it, and as we open up, we've got new releases, real debrid movies, Legion IPTV, movie box sets, TV shows, Unhinged, live UK radio, ultra movies if you have the line speed, and if you have a UHD panel TV. We've got stand-up comedy, BBC Three online, documentaries, music videos and music, and a testing area. So guys, remember these folders have some content and not all the content that's available on other add-ons. However, if one add-on doesn't work for you, try another. So that's the reason why we bring you this great uploads or add-ons, so you can actually keep in touch with the streaming world. So as you see guys, it gives you your 2018 list, and if we go down the list, go down, it goes forever on new releases. But if you go to the bottom, as you see, it stops there. There's no next folder or a next file. So this is due to the fact that this add-on is much smaller than other add-ons. So we've got real debrid movies. So if you have a real debrid account, you can actually use this folder and watch all this buffer free as well. So guys, there's great content on here. It's something you guys can actually use to improve your streaming experience. So guys, as we see, we have a lot of stuff in here, so you could test it out and try it out for yourself. So I'm just here to give you a tutorial on how to install these add-ons. One more thing guys, remember with IPTV, it is geo-locked, so you will actually need a VPN if you're out of the UK or the States to actually unlock this IPTV streaming service. So guys, this is Legion and Unhinged, and there we have Unhinged as well. So it's a separate folder. Just gonna open it up quickly, and there we have it. Movies mixed. We've got kids playhouse, comic books, horror box sets, stand-up comedy, documentaries, Stacy Doodle investigation, and audience words, live concerts, music videos, and the fitness center as well. So guys, there is a lot of content even though it's smaller than other add-ons. So I hope it does help your streaming. So let's go back out. I'm going to show you the Atom add-on now. So this is more or less a fork of Exodus. So guys, there's a lot of forks of Exodus coming out. So if Exodus, the original Exodus fails for you, or Placenta fails for you, this is another great add-on to have. It's called the Atomic. It's got movies, TV shows. It's the same setup guys. It's much easier to use. So if we click on new episodes, and there we have it guys. We've got the new episodes actually showing in here, and they do work quite well. They stream a lot of content off or the internet or scrape sources. They're not one-click play, so you're gonna have to try out different streaming sources to get the best buffer free experience. So we'll go back out there. Let's go to new movies. So guys, as we see, it opens up. So we've got 2018 movies, we've got a different list, we've got identical to Exodus. So it's a fork guys. So let's get down to installing this two add-ons with the one repo. However guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe tab and hit that notification bell, so when I do bring up new add-ons and new Kodi information, you'll be the first to know. Guys, one more thing, I would like to have some comments down below telling me how this add-on works and how you enjoy my tutorials. If so, give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you do not like my content. However guys, a thumbs up is appreciated. So we're going to go into settings. You're going to click on settings, you're going to click on file manager, you're going to click on add source, and where it says none, you're going to enter the source guys. just going to cancel out and show you the source. So I called it the atom. So you're going to enter myatom.1/repo. You can pause the screen here, guys, and take down this URL, or I will leave it in the description down below. Once you enter this, you'll give this URL a name, so you then click OK. So once you've done that, you go back out to the main menu and you'll click on add-ons. You'll click on the box in the top left corner. You'll click on install from zip file, and you'll select the zip file that you created. So I named it atom. You'll click on that, and we're gonna install both these repositories. So it's a Legion Unhinged and the repository atom. So if you click on that, you're just gonna give it a few seconds to actually update and install, and you'll get a pop-up on the top right hand side corner. There we have it, guys. Legion and Unhinged repo added. And then we're going to go back to install from zip file. Same zip file again, atom. And we're going to install the atomic. So you're going to click on that. Again, you're going to wait for the next add-on to be updated or installed. Just give it a few minutes. And there we have it, guys. The atomic repo has been updated. You should say installed. And then once that, you'll go to install from repository. You'll look for Legion Unhinged. That's your repo. You'll click on that. You'll go to video add-ons, and you'll click on Legion and Unhinged. And where mine says uninstall, yours will say install. You'll click on that. You'll wait for the installation process. You can carry on and open this, or you can go back out and install the second add-on. So we're going to go back into settings, install from repository, and we're going to look for the atomic repo. You'll click on that. We've got video add-ons, and we'll click on the atomic repo one more time. So again, once you enter this page where it says uninstall, yours should say install. You'll click on that, and you'll wait for the installation process. So guys, these are two great add-ons. They work quite well. I've been testing them out. However, you can leave your comments down below what you think of these add-ons and if they help your streaming abilities. Guys, I hope this was a great tutorial. I'll see you all in my next upload. Thanks for watching.